Hello my dear children, how are you all? Yes, all of you have enjoyed your holidays, right? So now we are back with our studies. So UKG children, here we are going to study one new lesson. And you know what is that? Yes, all of you look here. Today we are going to learn about use of these and those. Okay? Before this we had learned about this and that. But today we are going to learn about these and those. Okay, you know, first we use this and that. That is for what? Yes, the thing which is near to you and which is in one number. We use this. Okay, and things which is far from you and which is in one number. So what we use that? Correct, that. But when we use this, you know, yes, that we are going to study. Okay, so all of you look here. Can you see something? Yes, we can see beautiful pictures. But today we are not going to see only pictures. We are going to learn something else. And that is this or those. Okay. Now, when we use this, yes, when we talk about the things which are more in quantity and which is near to us. So what we use, children? We use these. Okay, if I am having so many pencils in my hand, not one but many pencils. So what I am going to say? And those pencils are in my hand. It means it is near to me. So what I will say, children? These are pencils. Same way, I am having many chairs in my room, but it is far from me. It is not near to me and not one chair, many chairs. So what I am going to say? Those are chairs. So when we use this, when we talk about the things which are near to us and which are more in number, we use this. And when we use those, when we talk about a thing which is far from us and which is more in quantity, we use those. Okay, so today we are going to learn about this or those. Okay, now all of you look here. Okay, can you see something? What is this? Yes, rabbits. All of you have seen rabbits. Yes. Okay, now can you tell me it is one rabbit or many rabbits are there? Yes, there are many rabbits. So what we are going to say, children? Yes, you have to repeat after me. These are rabbits because it is not one. They are many. So we are going to say these. Okay, all of you repeat. These are rabbits. Same way. Here what I am having, can you see? Yes, there are chairs. Only one chair? No, there are many chairs. So what I am going to say, children? And it is far. Can you see that arrow? It means it is far from us. So what we are going to say? We are going to say those are chairs. What we are going to say, children? Those are chairs. Same way, all of you look down. Yes, can you see beautiful flowers? Yes, and not one flower, we are having many of different colors. So, when the things are in many and which is near to us, what we say? Correct. We are going to say, yes, these are flowers. All of you repeat, children. These are flowers. Yes, same way. All of you go in the park, yes, and you enjoy sitting in a swing. Yes, all of you enjoy, right? So, what we are having here? Yes, we are having swing. Now tell me, only one swing is there? No, there are two swings. So, what I said, when the things are in quantity, more, what we use, children? Yes, and can you see the arrow? Arrow means what? It is far from us. Okay, so what we are going to say, children? All of you look here. Those are swings. All of you repeat after me. Those are swings. Can you see here? Yes, they are students like you all. All of you go to school, right? Yes, so they are also student. They have taken part in fancy dress competition. So, now there is not one child, there are many students, not one student. So, what we are going to say, children, when there are many? Yes, we are going to say these are students. All of you repeat. These are students. Very good. Now same way, can you see here? Yes, there are lions. Not one, but many. So what we are going to say, children? And when the arrow is there, what does that mean? Yes, those lions are far from us. So when the things are far from us, what we are say? Yes, we say those. So what you are going to say? Those are lions. What we are going to say, children? Those are lions. Now, here we are having a conversation. Okay, you all are good students, right? So here there is a talk between a teacher and a student. When you go to school, teacher asks you many questions, right? So here let's see what teacher is asking. Okay, now when you go in the morning, when you want to enter the class, what you say? You directly go inside the class? No, we take permission. So here one girl is there, her name is Priya. She wants to enter in the class. What she say? May I come in, miss? All of you say, right, you all are good children. So when you enter the classroom, you take permission. So Priya also says, may I come in, miss? And when you are standing there, what does teacher say? What does your miss say? Yes, you may. Yes, come in, she says, right? So what miss is saying? Yes, you may. Now, Priya, what she is telling, you know? Good morning, miss. Yes, when you enter the classroom, you wish your teacher, right? All the good children must wish that teacher. Okay. So Priya says, good morning, miss. Now, when you say good morning to teacher, what does she say? Yes, she also says good morning, right? So here what miss is saying? Good morning, Priya. Now, Priya has brought something for her teacher, right? Her miss. So Priya, these flowers are for you, miss. You go to school, you take flower and go, right? So Priya has brought many flowers and it is in her hand. So what she will say? These flowers are for you, miss. And miss is very happy. Yes, she takes the flower and what does she say? Thank you, Priya. Yes, teacher tell you thank you, right? Okay, now here we are going to do some, yes, practice work. So for that, what you are going to do, children? You will be ready with your pencil, your eraser and your book. So all of you come on, be ready. Look here on the board. Yes, we are going to write, fill in the blanks with these or those. Look at the picture and when the things are far, what we have to look for? Arrow. Arrow means it is far from us, right? So now you must know when to write these and when to write those. So all of you look here. When you come first in the class, you get trophies, right? Yes. So you get trophies, right? So what we are going to do, children? Yes, there is a blanks here. Now dash are trophies. What we are going to write there? Now trophies are near or far? Yes, it is near to us. So what we are going to write? Yes, we are going to write these. And what is the spelling of these, children? Correct. T-H-E-S-E, these. Can you see here? So what we are going to write, children? You can write with me. T-H-E-S-E, these. Why we have written these? Because trophies are many and it is near to us, right? Now look at the next picture. Yes, there are many elephants. And where are the elephants? They are far from us. Okay, can you see that arrow? It means they are far from us. When they are far, what we use, children? Correct, we use those. So what we are going to write here? Those. And what is the spelling of those? Correct. T-H-O-S-E, those. So what we are going to write here? T-H-O-S-E, those. Right. Very good. Now look at the next picture. Can you see apples? How many apples are there? Correct. There are 2 apples and it is near to us, right? So when it is near to us, what we are going to write? Yes, we are going to write these. T-H-E-S-E, these. These are apples. Very good. Now look here. Yes, there are many tires are there. But can you see that arrow? Yes, it means they are far from us. So what we are going to write, children, if things are far from us? Correct. We are going to write T-H-O-S-E, those. Right. So we are going to do few more things. Okay. Now here we are having few more exercise. Okay. So what you are going to do, children? Correct. We are going to see here. What is this, children? Yes, all of you like paintings, doing coloring, right? So these are crayons. And there, one crayon is there? No, there are many crayons. So what we are going to do, children? What we are going to write? Yes, we are going to write these. Correct. So what we will write here? T-H-E-S-E, these. Very good. Now, can you see here? All of you have seen this insect, right? It is an ant. Not one, but two. So, they are near because arrow is not there. So, they are near to us. So, what we are going to write, children? Correct. We are going to write T-H-E-S-E, these. Now, same way, all of you look here. Can you see different shapes? Yes, and they are far from us. Can you see that arrow? They are far from us. So, when things are in many and they are far from us, what we write? Correct, we write those. T-H-O-S-E, those. Now, on this table, can you see many balls? Right. Okay, and they are near to us. So, what we are going to write? Correct. We are going to write T-H-E-S-E, these. Now, here bottles are there. You like to drink water in new bottle, right? So, there are many new bottles. And can you see that arrow? Arrow means they are far from us. So, what we are going to write, children? Correct. We are going to write those. So, T-H-O-S-E, those, right? Now, okay. Now, here few more things are there. Now, you are familiar with this, right? So, what you are going to do, children? You are going to look at the picture and you must know whether it is these or those. Yes. Now, the thing which is near to us and which is more in quantity, like books. Can you see this book? It is near. So, what we are going to say? We are going to say these are books. Same way. Now, there are many books, but they are far from us. So, what we are going to say? Those are books. Same way, there are pen, but it is near. So, we are going to say these are pen. Same way, can you see these pens? Yes, they are far from us. So, we are going to say those are pens. Now, again chair are there, right? And it is near. So, we are going to say these are chairs. Now, these are far. So, we are going to say those are chairs. Now, ducks, they are near. So, we are going to say these are ducks. And these ducks are far. So, we are going to say those are ducks. Now, can you see cat? Yes, and it is only one cat. So, what we are going to say when it is one? We are going to say this is a cat. It is near, but only one. Same way, here many cats are there and it is near to us. So, we are not going to write this. We are going to write this. So, this different you must know, children. Okay. So, these are cats. Why we are using this? Because there are many. There are 3 in number and here only one cat is there. Both the cats are near, right? But it is only one and here we are having 3. When we talk about one thing, we use this. When we talk about many things which is near to us, we use these. Now, same way, can you see the bird? This bird is far from us, but it is only 1 in number. So, what we are going to say? That is a bird. Now, same way, here we are having many birds, but it is far from us. So, what we are going to say? Those are birds. Same way, when we are talking about one thing and it is far from us, we use that. When we are talking about many things and it is far from us, we use those. Now, same way, only one elephant. So, we are going to say this is an elephant. It is near to me. Now, here many elephants are there, right? And it is also near. So, we are going to say these are elephants. Same way, there is a rat, but it is far, only one rat. So, we are going to say that is a rat. Same way, there are many rats and it is far. They are also far. So, we are going to say those are rats. So, children, my dear children, now you know the concept of these and those. You know when to use these, when to use those. Same way you know when to use this and when to use that. Okay. So, be a good children and study well. Thank you.